Hey everyone, did you know that the average iPhone user checks their phone more than 80 times a day? That's a lot of opportunities to drop it or run out of battery. So today we're diving into the top 35 plus best iPhone 14 Pro Max accessories you can find on Amazon. All the links are in the description below. Make sure to check them out. On number 35, Augur B Magnetic Power Bank. On number 35, we have the Augur B Magnetic Power Bank, a 10,000 mAh beast with MagSafe compatibility and a foldable stand. It packs a punch with 22x fast charging, allowing you to get a 50% charge in just 30 minutes. The digital display is a nice touch, so you always know how much power you have left. The built-in foldable stand makes it perfect for watching videos or making video calls on the go, but it might not match the premium build of some other power banks. Number 34, Choice Camera Lens Protector. At 34, the Choice Camera Lens Protector in glittery purple adds some sparkle while defending your camera lenses with 9H tempered glass. These lens covers are not just for protection, they also add a touch of personal style with their glittery design. The protector is easy to install and designed to fit perfectly over your lenses without affecting photo quality. However, the flashy design might be a bit too much for those who prefer a minimalist look. Number 33, Vegger 5000 Mini Power Bank. Number 33 is the Vegger 5000 mAh Mini Power Bank. Ultra compact with built-in cables and an Apple Watch charging module. Its small credit card size makes it incredibly portable, and the integrated cables mean you never have to worry about forgetting one. This is an ideal solution for a quick top-up during the day, perfect for light travelers. However, its 5,000 mAh capacity won't fully charge a Pro Max twice like the Augur B can. Number 32, Ki-Style MagSafe Car Mount. Number 32 is the Ki-Style MagSafe Car Mount with 20 strong magnets and 360° rotation. This mount provides a secure and stable hold for your phone, ensuring it stays in place even on bumpy roads. The 360° swivel ball joint allows for flexible positioning, so you can easily switch between portrait and landscape mode. It's minimalist and super stable, but it doesn't have the wireless charging feature of pricier car mount. Number 31, Feel 2 Nice iPhone Charger Kit. Number 31 is the Feel 2 Nice iPhone Charger Kit, 2 fast 20W chargers and 2 long cables. This budget-friendly kit provides everything you need to fast charge your iPhone at home or on the go. The 20W chargers can get your iPhone charged up quickly, and the 2 included cables give you a spare. The retractable pins make it a neat travel-friendly option. This kit is reliable and efficient, but if you want more ports or extra versatility, the Lysen charger coming up might be your jam. Number 30, Lysen Retractable Car Charger. Number 30 is the Lysen Retractable Car Charger, giving you 4 charging options on the go with retractable cables that keep things neat. This versatile charger can power up to 4 devices simultaneously with a 30YH WSTC cable and a 12W Lightning cable, both of which retract automatically to prevent tangles. It's a huge step up in versatility from the simple Feel 2 Nice set, making it perfect for road trips with family and friends. Number 29, View-In Magnetic Phone Ring Holder. Number 29 is the View-In Magnetic Phone Ring Holder. Glittery, secure, and doubles as a stand, perfect for streaming. This accessory provides a strong magnetic connection to your MagSafe compatible phone or case, giving you a secure grip and a hands-free viewing stand. Its stylish marble design with glitter adds a fun pop of personality. Compared to the Ki-Style, this one's all about style and multi-use convenience, perfect for both phone use and display. Number 28, ANLMZ 3-in-1 Charging Station. Number 28 is the ANLMZ 3-in-1 Charging Station, combining your iPhone, watch, and AirPods in one tidy spot. This charging station is a great way to keep your devices organized and powered up overnight without a mess of tangled cables. Made from a special ABS material, it has low energy consumption and fast heat dissipation. It's cheaper than Belkin's 3-in-1, but lacks official MagSafe certification for those wanting the absolute best charging speeds. Number 27, Andri Car Phone Holder. Number 27 is the Android car phone holder, which holds on tight with super strong magnets and a vacuum suction cup that can withstand 78 plus elbs. This mount is designed for ultimate stability, so your phone won't budge no matter how rough the road gets. Made from aviation-grade aluminum alloy, it's built to last and can rotate 360 degrees. It is more robust than the Kai style, offering industrial-strength grip and peace of mind on the road. Number 26, SyncWire MagSafe Car Mount. Number 26 is the SyncWire MagSafe Car Mount with a premium build and a strong hold. This car mount features a high-quality aluminum alloy body and a minimalist design that looks great in any car. The powerful MagSafe magnets hold your phone securely, and the mount itself uses a reliable suction cup. It outshines the Kai style in both its aesthetic appeal and its stability, making it a great choice for those who value both. Number 21, Neuser Vlogging Rig. Number 21 is the newer vlogging rig, which turns your phone into a mini studio. This rig is made of robust aluminum alloy and features dual handles for stability, along with numerous mounts for accessories like lights and microphones. It's fully adjustable for both horizontal and vertical shooting, making it a great tool for content creators. It's more of a complete setup than a single case. So if you're serious about vlogging, this one's for you. Number 20, Ankofave Magnetic Case. Number 20 is the Ankofave Magnetic Case, a luxe matte red design that pairs perfectly with MagSafe accessories. This case is designed to show off your phone's color while providing excellent protection. The strong MagSafe magnets ensure a secure connection to all your accessories, and the reinforced corners offer military-grade drop protection. It's more stylish than your typical rugged case like the OtterBox. Number 19, Miracase Liquid Silicone Case. Number 19 is the Miracase Liquid Silicone Case, protective and minimalist with a built-in screen protector. This case provides 360-degree protection covering both the back and the screen of your phone. The silky smooth silicone material feels great in your hand and resists fingerprints and scratches. The built-in screen protector is a great feature, making it a fantastic value if you want more than just a pretty case. Number 18, OtterBox Defender Series Case. Number 18 is the OtterBox Defender Series Case, rugged and bulky but unbeatable in protection. This case is built for extreme conditions with a multi-layer design that includes a solid inner shell and a rugged outer slip cover. The included port covers keep dust and lint out of your phone's jacks. It's the ideal choice for clumsy folks or outdoor adventurers who need the absolute best protection money can buy. Number 17, Gonds Silicone Case. Number 17 is the Gondis Silicone Case, soft, grippy, and includes protectors for the screen and camera. This case is a great all-in-one solution that feels fantastic to hold. The raised edges protect the screen and camera, and the included protectors provide an extra layer of defense against scratches and drops. It's a great value and a stylish option compared to the simpler Jetec case. Number 16, Tokel Magnetic Case. Number 16 is the Tokel Magnetic Case with a translucent matte finish with full MagSafe and camera protection. This case offers a more refined look than the Gonds while still providing robust protection. The matte finish resists fingerprints and provides a non-slip grip, and the MagSafe magnets are strong and reliable. The upgraded camera protection is a great feature, making it a more refined choice for sure. Number 15, Takeo Cute Love Heart Case. Number 15 is the Take Garrett Cute Love Heart Case, all about bling and style. This case is a fashion statement with its glittery design and cute heart pattern. The case is made with a durable anti-scratch material that protects your phone from daily wear and tear. If you're into sparkles, this is your go-to accessory to add a touch of personality and fun to your phone. Number 14, J-Tech Silicone Case. Number 14 is the J-Tech Silicone Case, affordable and soft touch, but lacks the premium features of the Tokel or Ankofave. This case is a simple, no-frills option for those who want a comfortable grip and basic protection. The microfiber lining inside keeps your phone scratch-free, and the case comes in a variety of colors. It's a great low-cost choice for minimalists. Number 13, LC Wool Wave Frame Case. Number 13 is the LC Wild Wave Frame Case, which is all about those cute, curly edges and love heart vibes. Style points galore. This case is a trendy and stylish option with a unique wavy frame design that is both fashionable and provides a bit of extra grip. The gold accents give it a touch of luxury, and the raised edges protect your camera. It's for those who want their phone to be a stylish accessory in itself. Number 12, Zihog Neg Magnetic Swivel Ring Case. Number 12 is the ZAWGT magnetic swivel ring case, combining rugged military-grade protection with a 360 DG rotating ring for pro-level selfies and video watching. This case is incredibly versatile with a built-in ring that can be used as a stand or a secure grip. The reinforced corners provide excellent drop protection, and the MagSafe compatibility is strong and reliable. It's an all-in-one case for both protection and functionality. Number 11, Vantuali silicone case. Number 11 is the Vantuali silicone case, a slim MagSafe-friendly case with a handy kickstand. Perfect for Netflix nights. This case is the perfect blend of minimalist design and useful features. The smooth silicone material feels great, and the integrated magnetic ring stand allows for both vertical and horizontal viewing. It's a fantastic, functional option for those who want a case that's both protective and convenient. Number 10, iGlue's Privacy Screen Protector. Number 10 is the iGlue's Privacy Screen Protector, combining shatterproof protection and anti-spy features. This protector is designed to keep your private information safe from prying eyes with a two-way privacy filter. It also offers 9H hardness tempered glass for excellent scratch and impact resistance. This is great for those who want peace of mind when using their phone in crowded spaces like buses or cafes. Number 9, TemperTech Plus Privacy Glass. Number 9 is the TemperTech Plus Privacy Glass, a solid pick with military-grade protection and a stealthy privacy filter. This protector is engineered for durability with reinforced edges that resist chipping and cracking. The privacy filter is subtle yet effective, making your screen visible only to those directly in front of it. It's a great choice if you're always out and about and need both security and protection. Number 8, Mothka Matte Glass Protector. Number 8 is the Mothka Matte Glass Protector. Unique with its anti-glare finish, ideal for gamers who hate fingerprints, the matte surface not only eliminates glare from bright lights, but also feels incredibly smooth to the touch. This makes it perfect for swiping and gaming, and it resists fingerprints and smudges like a champ. It's a different but highly functional option, especially for heavy screen users. Number 7, Ultra Glass Top Privacy Glass. Number 7 is the Ultra Glass Top Privacy Glass, offering top-tier impact protection while keeping your texts safe from prying eyes. This protector is made with a highly durable tempered glass that can withstand significant drops and impacts. The privacy filter is perfectly tuned to hide your screen from side views without significantly darkening the display for you. It's a fantastic combination of security and ruggedness. Number 6, Unbreakable Privacy Protector. Number 6 is the Unbreakable Privacy Protector. Easy to install and super durable, like a vault for your screen. This protector comes with an easy-to-use installation frame that ensures a perfect bubble-free application every time. The 9H hardness glass provides solid protection against scratches and impacts, and the privacy filter is reliable and effective. It's a great option for those who want a no-fuss, secure screen. Number 5, SyncWire Privacy Glass. Number 5 is the SyncWire Privacy Glass, using Korean LG tech for ultra-clear privacy. The advanced micro-louver technology from LG provides a crisp, clear view for the user while blocking visibility from the sides. The protector is made with high-quality tempered glass that offers superior protection against scratches and cracks. This makes it a definite standout compared to more basic protectors. So what do you think? Which of these accessories are you excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And the ultimate winner? The XYZZ Screen Protector takes the crown for combining solid protection, great visibility, and easy installation at a fantastic price, making it the best bang for your buck. That's it for today's roundup of the 35 plus best iPhone 14 Pro Max accessories you can grab on Amazon. All the links are in the description below. Go check them out and level up your phone game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome gadget guides. Until next time, stay safe and stay tech savvy.